Now I have this video that I'm gonna play right now, and I want you to check with yo lo muntu lo ngendlela bedakwe ngakhona. I just wonder ukuthi bephuzeni noma bedleni. You guys gonna tell me at the end of the video, because yeah, we want to know. And these people they are having fun the other way to fun. So I killed the music for copyright purposes. Let's just check it out. This is Beast, by the way. Shout out to Beast, Jardini Records. And yeah. Man, I'm just gonna play this clip again because yeah. So guys, everybody's wondering who is this girl. Maybe you don't know Buffett. You don't know Buffett to call him Buffett. We all know here. There she is, and she is Colin Fega is prominent South African content creator, model, and a television personality. She gained mainstream recognition for her appearance in a reality series, This Body Works For Me. I remember quite well This Body Works For Me, guys. Yo, la machera la payana, hey, machera mostly of the time I got the we only fans, and they were making a lot of money, and she's one of them right now. Ngizobengqhubeke nayo leya video leyana cause hey yabo ngibengifuna ukubona ukuthi kanje mina bengicabanga uphuzeni yabo uphuzeni cause she's like yabo uphuze ngalendlela le, like you know what I mean. But anyway guys, let's take it later of it to about 150,000 rand per weekend. Can you imagine how much money she's got? Because yo Buffett mingasucabanga nje ukuthi ungathola ama booking nje awu4 you are done. And there she is laphayana hakela uBeast ngendlela emnandi kakhulu. I'm sure no Beast la ekhona. I was like, oh my god, if she can do it again, I can do it again. Buffett, so there she is. She's quite a nice, beautiful girl, guys. Nice tattoos. I like the swag. Everything is proper here, man. And don't forget, Uguba Nine is 150,000 rand. Let's watch that video again and find out. Good. Maybe what do you think Yini Hamba Yolanda? Because you no man, she's out. Or is it proper for any girl to be like this or in the public space, as also a public figure and OnlyFans content creator, stuff like that? But who judge who Buffett? But let's talk about it in the comment section. Like, share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. You are watching the D.O.P Online podcast, D.O.P. Yeah. Don Talento. Shout out to Beast, man. Faith. Yeah, it seems like she had enough of these things. Like she had so much of it. And also hey Kiss and my man, yo, peace. What's up, bro? I'm sure you found that nigga. Guys, thank you so much. Yes, we see the Kuzani. Yeah, man, it's like that. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm coming back. Thank you so much for putting up. Make sure you subscribe. Check out check out one of my videos engiwenzile previously kuzoba mnandi kakhulu. Angazi ukuthi uzovala ngithini buddy. Kusatitwe le video enobzapha. Go Beast.